जूमिंग ज़्यादा नहीं है ना। From the title, you would have got the idea what I am going to make, and for that, I am taking a flashlight from the mobile phone. The big silver portion is negative or ground, and the small portion is positive one. Unfortunately, this LED is not working. So now I will take the another one, and this one is working with the given voltage 3.7 and 1 amp current. I will use this LED with the IC as it will work as a heat sink. The ground wire of this LED is already connected to the ground pin of the battery where we'll place the battery. And I have connected the positive wire to the positive pin. I will cut the excess part of the IC.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
And now I will stick a lens to concentrate the light. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.